came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, brands.
Very powerful. Air Hogs. It makes a breeze. Ooh, I just got caught. Oh, that hurts. It's so fast with this big Air Hog remote. This is the charger for it. It plugs in here to the helicopter, and then you just plug it out. Then it's an RC car. Takes 6 batteries. I don't have the back because I just need to show you guys. So it goes so high. Fast amount of time. Yeah. Ready? When you move. So when you move one stick up, just a little, goes like that. All the way. It's okay if you hit the ground a few times because it's plastic. It won't really damage it, but it has like a little motor on the back, so it has extra power to go forward and backwards. But you can't really go backwards with this thing. But anyways, looks like this. These are high power definition, like high power wings, which oh god, sets off sometimes by itself, and you can control it. So it's very fast and it'll hurt very much if you get your fingers in there, but it's a real good fan. So it's worth it. Air Hogs, put in the description. It's like a fan, but indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my head and then take off the fish. Ow! Oh shoot! That actually kind of feels good. Let's try that. Let's try it on the shoulder. No, actually, head again. It's not working. Hold on. Oh gosh. This can chomp down anything. When you go like this, you gotta hold it from here on the legs and just swing it up. You can try catching it while it's in the air. Oh. It's swimming on the ground. Got it. Hey, see, it's pretty easy. And if you get your fingers caught, you're done. Oh god. You really gotta get used to this thing. Okay. The battery lasts long. Ah, gosh. Again. The third time. Oh god. goes so high. I'm gonna glance out what it looks like. You can also fly high and all that. Gotta give it a little boost up. So watch with everything. Now, if you hold it, make it fly high, and you can let it go. That's right up. Now, warning: do not hold it here. Do not hold it like this, because if you fly it, you can get your fingers seriously injured like me. Hold it here on these little ladders. There you go. So if you like this video, just put a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. And yeah, you should get this. So yeah. And that's what I gotta show you today. Oh god! So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, leave a like, and all that. Bye.